You've probably seen the Pro V3 indicator give insanely accurate signals, and other times, not so much. But here's the truth, most traders are using the wrong settings. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to dial in your Pro V3 for your market and time frame so that you only get the cleanest, most accurate signals possible. There's a bit of a myth going around. Some people say the Pro V3 repaints, or that the signals aren't accurate enough. And look, if you plug it in and expect it to be magic right out of the box, you're probably not going to get the results you want. But if you understand how the signals work, and more importantly, how to tweak the settings for your style, Pro V3 becomes one of the most powerful tools on TradingView. In this video, I'll walk you through how to optimize the Pro V3 to get the sharpest, cleanest signals based on what market you're trading and what time frame you're on. Whether you're scalping crypto on the 5-minute or swing trading stocks on the 1 hour, this will help you set up the indicator to match your strategy. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with Pro V3, here's the quick rundown. It's an all-in-one trading indicator from SMRT Algo, designed to identify high-probability buy and sell signals using price action, momentum, and market structure logic. It plots entries, gives you stop loss and take profit targets, and helps remove the guesswork from your trading. But the real power comes from how customizable it is, especially when it comes to the signal settings. When you open the settings, you'll see a few key inputs: signal sensitivity, MA filter, and a few toggles for visual elements. Let's break these down. Sensitivity controls how strict the signal rules are. A lower number makes the indicator more aggressive, giving more signals, some of which may be noise. A higher number makes it more selective, showing only the strongest setups. Think of it like a filter. Low sensitivity equals more signals. High sensitivity equals cleaner signals. The MA filter is a powerful addition. When enabled, it uses the moving average direction to confirm trades. So if you're only looking to buy when the market is trending up, the MA filter ensures you only get long signals during bullish conditions. Same for shorts during a downtrend. It helps filter out counter-trend signals that could lead to losses. Best settings by market and time frame. Now let's talk real setups. If you're trading crypto on the 5-minute chart, you'll want to set your sensitivity somewhere between 3 and 6. Crypto moves fast and tends to be volatile, so you don't want your signals too delayed, but you also want to avoid false triggers. Turning on the MA filter is a smart move here to keep your trades aligned with the trend. From my experience, the best length for these smaller time frames is around 100. If you're trading Forex on the 15-minute, a sweet spot is around 5 to 7 sensitivity. Forex is smoother than crypto, but still moves quickly enough that you don't want to be too strict. Again, MA filter on helps a lot. Now for stocks and indices on the 1-hour chart, go a bit higher. 6 to 9 sensitivity tends to give really clean signals, especially if you're swing trading, but it depends on how long do you like to hold your trades. If you hold trades only for a few days, go with a sensitivity around 6. If you don't mind holding trades for a week or two, you can go for a sensitivity around 9. These higher time frames need more confirmation, so a slightly stricter setting works better. MA filter is optional here. If you want to catch reversals, maybe leave it off. If you're a trend trader, definitely keep it on. Now, optimizing the settings is only one part of the puzzle. Let's talk about how to actually trade these signals with more confidence and less noise. When you get a signal, don't immediately jump in. Wait for price to come back and retest a support or resistance zone, or a supply-demand area. Both support and resistance, and supply and demand, are included in the Pro V3 indicator, so you don't need to worry about manually drawing them. This gives you a cleaner entry and tighter stop loss. If a buy signal forms right after a bullish change of character or break of structure, that's your green light. If the signal is fighting against structure, maybe sit it out. Again, automatic detection of market structure is also included in the indicator. Pro V3 also lets you see the trend on all important time frames via the trend dashboard, which you can toggle on in the settings. This is especially useful when you see a signal, but you are not sure if the market is going to continue in its trend or reverse. And with one click, you can check the trend on higher time frames and quickly decide if the signal is valid or not. Not every signal is a trade. Look for confluence, a signal, a retest, a demand zone, a clean trend, all these together, now that's your trade. And here's one bonus tip. Join our free Discord in the description. Many traders that use our tools have already found the best settings and strategies that work for them flawlessly, and they are sharing their ideas and wins with others. So feel free to be inspired by them and try out what already works for them. Maybe it will work for you also. Our community is friendly and helpful, so don't be scared to ask for advice. Again, the Discord is in the description. So to wrap this up, yes, Pro V3 is powerful, but if you're not customizing it to your market and time frame, you're leaving money on the table. Once you dial in the settings and combine it with simple confirmations like market structure and retests, you'll notice the quality of your trades improve dramatically. If you already have Pro V3, try these settings on your charts right now and see the difference. And if you don't have it yet, there's a link in the description to check it out. It's absolutely worth every penny. Make sure to drop a like if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more no-fluff trading breakdowns, and let me know in the comments what market you're trading. And as always, remember to trade smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.